Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making slow cooker baked beans. You will need 1 pound of small red beans, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cups of beef broth, 3 cups of water, 2 cups of barbecue sauce, 8 slices of bacon, 1/2 cup of molasses, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. In a frying pan, cook your bacon until it just starts to brown. Remove your bacon from the pan and set it aside until later. Set your slow cooker to brown, then add the ground beef, onion, and garlic powder. If your slow cooker does not have this setting, then do this step in a frying pan. Change your slow cooker to the high setting. Now add your dry beans, beef broth, and water, then cover and allow your beans to cook for 4 hours. After 4 hours, add the brown sugar, molasses, mustard, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, barbecue sauce, and bacon, then mix well. Cover your beans and allow them to cook for an additional 2 hours or until your beans have reached your desired texture. After 2 hours, your beans are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soulful cooking class, you will learn to craft